Market structure. The thing they lie to us the most. So, when you're a beginner in trading and you finally get to the markets, they tell you the markets move like this. Or they move like this on a downtrend. Now, is this really the market structure? Because we all know, once you get to the markets, instead of this, you'll see this. Something like that. Now, are these the same? Because yeah, this looks so easy. But if market really moves like this, why aren't we all billionaires? You know? Because the market really move like this. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy here, and I'll make a whole lot of profit. But you know, in trading, 99% of traders lose. So how the fuck does market move like this and it's so simple, but in reality, when you go to the real markets, move like this, and you don't understand shit. You're trying to long it, you lose. You try to short it, you lose. You long it, you lose. And then, in the tiny bit of chance for the SMC traders, especially when they see this and they have their little order block and think price will do this. I mean, this works. This works. It works a few times, but to make hope for them to not quit on the system, right? But to just give them hope and yeah, at least to work once. I can work a whole lot of times though, but they ignore the 9 times out of 10 it doesn't work. So, boom, this shit goes to the fucking floor. So yeah, guys, that's if the market is on an uptrend, this is how we'll move. If the market is on a downtrend, you already know. Boom, 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 boom. This looks way more realistic than this. Do you agree with me or not? I mean, if you don't agree, I mean, good luck in the markets. If you really think like this, I mean, why you're not profitable yet? Why aren't you a billionaire, for example? Because I'm gonna tell you why they teach you this. First, because it's simple. I mean, they don't even know how markets move, first of all. So this is simple and it's easy to teach, basically. So it's cool for beginners. It's easy, simple. Yeah, everybody happy. And then you go to the real markets and see this bullshit. Now you don't understand shit. Because this ain't this. What you learned is not what's in the real market. And the reason why they teach you in drawings is because, well, discipline isn't real. And it's way more easy. Because if they go to the real markets, I mean, it's a whole nother story. So, let's exactly do that. Let's go to the real markets. I'm going to give you a clean USD chart from recent times. Now tell me, does this look like any of the things I was saying? Does the chart here look like this? Does it look something like this? Let me know. So what we're gonna do now is tell you how the real market moves, how the market really moves. And the market moves from liquidity to liquidity, or if you wanna say from liquidity pool to liquidity pool. Doesn't matter which strategy you are on, like you know at least the market doesn't do the simple shit I was telling you about. But just for now, let's focus on liquidity. Let's see. How many liquidities can you spot? I mean, I'm gonna go on the higher time. I mean, if you really wanted to do this, let's go. My fucking man, bro. So we took this. Okay. So now you think we're bullish, but then you get stopped out. Now you think you're bearish, but then you get stopped out. Now you think you're bullish, but then you get stopped out. And then again. And then price goes down, it kind of respects it. And here we break it more forward. Here we break it again. Broke this once we got the lows. We're also breaking structure here. And now you think we're about to sell, but then price just does this. And these are inducements, guys. One day I'll make a video on it, but they are liquidity, and these inducements can be anything. They can be equal lows, equal highs, trend lines, previous daily highs, previous daily lows, session liquidities, previous daily weekly, previous weekly lows, highs, monthlies, all of that. And they don't teach you shit about this. Then you got this high, got tokens, smart money trap, did this, okay, now broke, blah blah blah, got price breaking structure to the lower side, but nah, this wasn't the real high, now it's a real high. Now you get the true break of structure, price goes on and on. And even here, like, is this the market structure? Is this moving like this? I don't think so, cause you have this, then you have this, then it goes back, then it goes here, but then breaks, then goes, then breaks, then go, break, yeah. Let's be real here, it doesn't move like that. We're breaking highs, but then we're coming back to break the lows. And this is what I mean when I say price moves from one liquidity to another. So you need to spot liquidity, which is basically everything. But I mean, there's a saying, like, if you don't know where the liquidity is, that means you're the liquidity. If you can't spot the traps, that means you're the trap. That means you're the liquidity. You get what I'm saying? Because if you don't know, like, for example, like this, if you're placing yourself here, looking for the order block, and you don't know where the liquidity is, guess what? Stop loss, you're the liquidity. And then price deliver the whole move. That's why most of the times you get stopped out, but you were actually right on your vision. You get stopped out, but once price stops you out, price runs your way. Don't you find that funny? It's just because you were simply the liquidity. You are simply alongside many other people that were thinking the same as you, and they need to take people out because they need your lots. I mean, take people out. I mean, it's not just take people out. It's like taking people out of trades, in a sense. Like stop losses or TPs, doesn't matter. They just want their lots, your lots, for example, to be free for them to place themselves around here. Because institutions, they gotta place a lot of lots, and there's not a lot of lots in the markets. Like, I'm going out of context here, but yeah, I'm gonna make a full video on liquidity or something like that. But yeah, guys, think about this, because price doesn't move like you want it to. Doesn't move like this, especially if you're a beginner. If you already know this, Like, you're on the good path. Because you see in many of my videos, you have plenty of lines that they all get broken. I mean, that's not because like my vision is shit. It's just because I'm repairing the liquidities and seeing which highs or lows are the protected ones. Because once I see this, okay, I got a short here. Once I see this break, okay, I gotta buy here. Once I see this, okay, good to sell. I have these lines placed, not to say they're protected or they're higher low, higher low, higher high, or none of that shit. Because like once you think about it, like you're gonna get lost, higher low, higher high, and then we make higher highs, but then lower lows, but then higher lows, and then goes higher high again. I mean, even me, I'm getting lost just explaining this. So I don't know how you like. I don't know how you comprehend it, or how don't you get lost on it. I'm even losing my English just speaking on this shit. But yeah, like I was saying, like I placed these lines because I want to see them get taken, because they're inducements. Because once I see this, okay, short. Once I see a line get broken on the lower side, buy. I don't care about the trend, bro. I care about it. I'm playing. When I'm low time frame, like I can be buying or selling. I mean, I don't know if I've already done a video on trading like it's ping pong, but it's basically that. Like you can buy here, to sell here, to buy here, to sell here. And that's not me saying like it's easy. Yeah, you can predict it. But it's knowing where the inducements are. It's not me saying that it's easy, but I know this is a liquidity and this got took. I know this is an inducement and it got took. I know this probably gonna not last forever. Got took. It got took. It got retested. You took it, and you get take advantage of the trade. Like I seen this. I can show you the Discord. But yeah, guys. Hope this has been helpful. This is a real market structure for you guys. You already know in this channel we don't promote that bullshit and I don't know, fake trading. And like from people that don't even really trade, those fake ass gurus. And yeah, we all know we do backtestings in this video. If you join the Discord, first link in the description, you'll see I'm always giving daily observations on USD and GBP USD. You also got my guy Thomas on gold, and most of the times the observations are 9% of the times right, and then it's just a meaning of placing myself or yourselves. That's just buying the sending price and not promoting bullshit. And if you stick to this channel, please like and subscribe. You'll see that I'm not like the others, and I'll promote you like real secrets and real things about the market like this. They don't even most of the traders don't even explain you this once you pay the course, which is crazy. Like you can pay a course and they'll still teach you like market moves like this. Okay, this was kind of shit, but I mean their course is shit. So but yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. It's a bit of a simple one, even though it might be advanced for some. I mean, we all on different paths, but let's all grow together. That's the main point. Alright, peace out, guys. I'm speaking a lot of shit.